Hello, today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook ad on your desktop. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin, okay? Let's dive in. So first, go to your Facebook account and then on the search bar, edit the link and put slash ads manager. Wait for it to load and inside you can see these new settings right here. And when you go to account overview like this, you can add payment method if you want, or you can even delete your payment method right here. And you can see your page right here. Now, in order to delete add account, just go to settings right here on the left corner. And then in this side, go to add account settings. And then in the right side, you can see all the ad accounts you have. So I have my Facebook account here and I have another ad account right here. So if you want to delete this, just click remove user right here. And then hit remove. And then that's it. You successfully deleted your other ad account. So if you want to add account again, just hit add people here. Really simple. So yeah, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.